बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट द अष्टमी लुक। अब हमारे यहाँ अष्टमी पे वी हैव कन्या पूजन, जहाँ पे हम कंजकों को हलवा पूरी बनाकर उन्हें देते हैं। सो वी हैव दिस इंटायर रिचुअल दैट वी होल्ड एट आवर होम एंड हम घर पे कुकिंग करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें सुबह को होती है एंड देन इवनिंग को वी ऑब्वियसली गो आउट, क्योंकि मैं कोलकाता में रहती हूँ एंड ओवर हियर वी हैव a lot of पैंडल हॉपिंग एंड यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़े स्केल पे दुर्गा पूजा की जाती है। सो या दैट इज़ इट। सो मैंने ऑलरेडी ड्रेस पहनी हुई है। सो इफ़ यू वांट टू सी माय अष्टमी लुक एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट रेडी विद मी दिस अष्टमी, then keep on watching. I'm going to start with my Pond's Super Light Gel and I'm going to moisturize my face. Don't forget to moisturize your neck also. Next up, I am taking my Lakme Undercover Gel Primer, applying it mainly on my T-zone, and whatever is left, I'm just taking it on for the rest of my face. Now that we are well moisturized and primed, I am moving on to my Pond's BB Cream. I'm going to apply it just like that. I'm going to take my Damp Beauty Blender and start blending this all out. I love how this gives a really natural dewy finish. Now once I'm done with that, I'm directly going to move on to powder my face. I'm not going to apply any concealer because I don't want it to look very heavy while I'm working throughout the day. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and I'm going to use this banana yellow shade right here, and I'm going to start applying it. You see how beautifully that brightened up and it totally hid my dark circles. See the difference between both of them? Once I'm done with that, I am going to take my Ulta Beauty palette, and with the same Ulta Beauty brush that came with this palette, I'm going to take this shade right here and very lightly bronze up my face. Just very light. See, there's nothing much crazy about it. And once I'm happy with that, I'm taking that same bronzing shade on the same brush, and then I'm going to just press it like that and contour my nose. This is a trick that I always do, and it just contours my nose so well. Do you see how already it has made a difference? So now that we are done with our bronzing pretty much, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheek. Now guys, I really love blush, so I always go overboard with it. You can control it however much you like to apply, but blushes always go lighter throughout the day. But when you apply it, they seem like very firm, but they tone down a little bit. So even if you go overboard, it's fine, because by the time you leave your house, it's going to get settled into your skin. So do you see, I applied my blush almost everywhere. I love it so much. You see how it gives me a sun-kissed look? I'm going to move on with my eyes first. So as you can see, my dress has all these cherry colored flowers, and also the pants with these kurtis are cherry colored. So first of all, I'm going to take a brick red orangish type of color and I'm going to start applying it all over my lids. So once I'm happy with how my color has deposited, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush like that and I'm going to start blending. You see how beautiful that looks? Once I think I am happy with blending my color, I'm going to take this fluffy brush only and I'm going to take the same this brick shade and I'm going to lightly apply it under my eyes. Now the reason I took this fluffy blending brush for under my eyes also, because I really wanted a really sultry look. Do you see how beautiful it makes that look? Doing the same on the other eye. So the best part about this eye look is that you can do it with any color. Just deposit one color and just blend it out, forming a gradient. It just looks so beautiful. You can do it with any color, so no matter what your outfit is, just experiment. And the best part is that you can leave it just like that. But I'm going to go with a little bit of shimmer on top of this because my dress has these golden. So I'm going to go ahead with this eyeshadow from Absolute New York. So this is a beautiful golden copperish shade. See, I've only applied it halfway. Okay. So once I'm done applying this halfway, I'm going to go ahead with that same blending brush and just blend the red and the copper together, just like that. So now when you look at my eyes, there's a beautiful blend of copper and red, and it just looks so romantic and so sultry, right? I'm going to complete the look with my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Moving on to our highlighter, we take this highlighter. Do you see how beautiful it is? Now the best part is that this is a DIY highlighter that I have made at home by myself, and the glow of this, oh my god, it is better than most highlighters, and it really looks like, you know, you have this natural glow, glowing from within look, and it does not look chunky. So once we're done with all of that, I am going to take my brow pencil. This one is by Blue Heaven. I'm going to take these two mini cute lipsticks from Stay Quirky, and I'm going to apply a mixture of both of these. Now taking the darker one. Now using my fingers, I'm just going to smudge it a little bit. Now you must feel like this was such a useless step, but try it out, girls, and your lipstick is going to look so natural. And yes, if you haven't already applied your blush, after smudging your lipstick, whatever comes in your finger, apply it as a blush. So we are done with our makeup. To finish this look up, I'm going to apply a beautiful red bindi. So yes, this was all in all our look for today. We come to the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this Ashtami look, and being so versatile, this look can be done with any outfit depending on how you can change the color and play with it. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.